Hold on. Okay. There's two of them. You missed. He juked you. Get the other guy going for the boat. The other guy going. I know he juked you. Get the guy going for the boat. I was going to for shore. Yes. He's going for shore. If he gets out, I'm gonna chase him and fucking beat him up. Oh, you got him. Nice.